Hi guys. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do rotations. We're going to kind of cheat though. I'm going to teach you how to cheat a little bit. So before I teach you like the math of it, how to do it mathematically, I kind of want to show you how to cheat and do it fairly simply. And this is by using what's called patty paper. This is parchment paper that they put in between hamburger patties. You can also use tracing paper. You can use the parchment paper that you have in your kitchen. It's a wax paper that you can write on. Basically anything that you can trace, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use tracing paper / patty paper to do rotations. All right, so here is the shape that I want to rotate. So here's that shape that I want to rotate around. So in order to do this, I'm going to place my tracing paper or my patty paper over the top. With my Sharpie, I'm going to trace the shape. So I'm going to draw this. I'm going to trace the shape like this. Okay. So there's that shape that's traced. Now I'm going to rotate around the origin. So I'm going to go around the middle. So I'm going to mark the middle. And then so I know when I've gone 90 degrees, I'm going to draw like this tiny little arrow pointing up. Okay? That way I can see when this arrow hits this line, I know I've gone 90 degrees. So taking my pen, I place my pen on the center of rotation, and I rotate it 90 degrees right there. So that shape would look something like, and then I kind of just slide it to the side, and I mark it, and I slide it to the side, and I mark it, slide it to the side, and I mark it. And that shape would rotate 90 degrees to look something like this. Let's check it. So take this, rotate it 90 degrees. Bam. If I want to go 180 degrees, it would look like this. Now that's 180 degrees clockwise because it goes around like a clock. You can also go 90 degrees counterclockwise. You can go this direction and look like this. Okay, now let me show you kind of what it looks like on an assignment here. All right, so let's say, so this is the assignment you guys will have, and let's say I'm doing number 6, and it says rotate 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Now when it says about the origin, that means where we're going to stick our pencil. So with my tracing paper, I'm going to place it over the top, and I'm going to trace my shape using a pen or pencil. Using whatever it takes to trace it. So I'm going to trace this shape. Okay. Now I'm going to mark the center of rotation. I'm going to draw that little arrow again so I know when I've gone 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So I take my pencil, I stick it on top, and I go 90 degrees clockwise. So that means I spin it to the right 90 degrees. Hold my pencil there, and I rotate it 90 degrees right to there. So that shape is going to land right there. Now I kind of look where it's at, move it to the side, and I mark it. Place it back over, line it all up, move it to the side, mark it, place it over, line it up, move it to the side, mark it, connect the dots, and voila. 90 degrees clockwise would make this shape land right here. C would be right here at C prime, L right there at L prime, T right here at T. If I wanted to go 90 degrees clockwise, counterclockwise, I would have done the same thing, but I would have rotated to the left, and it would have ended up there. 180 degrees is 2 turns, 90 degrees, 1 turn. Give it a shot.